In this video, I will show you how you can generate a shareable upload link directly from a CRM record and let external users drop files straight into your WorkDrive. No account required. So go to Setting, then click on Collect File, enter a collection name, you can add an optional expiration date. Once it passes, the link stops accepting uploads automatically. Uploaded files can be grouped by submitter name, or email for easy triage, or left ungrouped in the root folder. For external collection, share the link with any client or partner. They upload directly into WorkDrive. No account required on their end.
Let's see it live.
So I am opening an incognito tab for testing and pasted the copied link. The link will open on WorkDrive. You have to give your name and email for further process. Now click on Next. Now you can upload your files here. After uploading files, go back to the Zoho CRM. Click on Refresh. Now you can see a folder is created according to the name of the sender. If you click on that, you can see the shared file here. That's it.